Welcome back, Brazil, to your Caribou Data Science channel. Today is, well, it's Sunday, August the 15th, 2021, and it's time for your weekly COVID-19 analysis. Before we get started, I have a couple favors to ask. First of all, don't forget to click that subscribe button, click the like button, and most important of all, don't forget to click on the share button. Share this report on your Facebook and your Twitter account today. You can also share this, you can also copy and paste the link to this report and share it in an email or text message with your friends and family that way. Okay, before we get started, of course, a brief caveat about COVID-19 numbers. I don't know in Brazil, but in America, the news media is only reporting the most negative information they can find about COVID-19, okay? They love to talk about cases and hospital beds and variants of the disease. But here's the thing. According to, this is what I want you to think about, even in Brazil. According to Washington University in the U.S., the single best measure of the spread of a disease is daily deaths. Daily deaths, not hospital beds, not cases. Okay? So anyway, let's come back over here. Take a look at the vaccine rollout report here real quick. So what we got as far as vaccine? So far, Brazil, you've administered 157 million doses. Of those 157 doses, about 113 million have received one dose, and about 492,000 have received. I'm sorry. Approximately 49.2 million people have received the full dosage, whatever dosage is for it. Okay. 53% of people have received at least one shot, and 22% of people have received the full dosage. Now, one source I read said that sort of the tipping point for the vaccine effectiveness is 50% full vaccination rate for your country. Okay, so let's come back over and see exactly how the daily numbers are looking. Of course, this report, because of this study, also includes the final numbers for last week. Okay, you can see currently you have about 20.3 million cases been reported, 565,000 deaths. Here's some good news. Cases are declining. For the 7-day period ending August the 6th, you averaged 315,586 cases per day. For August the 14th, you had 31,142 cases. Now here's the good news. This nice continued declining pattern in deaths. For August the 14th, you reported 926 deaths, all the way down from way up here. Okay. And for August the 7th, for the 7-day period ending August the 7th, you were averaging 886 deaths per day, which is down from 7,857 deaths per day on average. Okay, so that's good news. Here's more good news. You can see a declining pattern in cases, weekly cases. And even better news is declining pattern in weekly deaths. Okay, and we can look here, and there's a pretty good chance that August is going to be the second month in a row when the cases have been below these numbers over here. Okay. Here's even better news. Take a look at this here. 1, 2, 3, 4. There's a very good chance that Brazil is going to see the fourth straight month in a row of decline in monthly deaths. Okay. That's the good news I have for you folks in Brazil today. Okay. Thanks so much for stopping by, Brazil. Hey, don't forget to click that subscribe button. Don't forget to click the like button. And most important of all, don't forget to click on the share button. Share this video on Facebook and Twitter. You can also copy and paste the link to this video into an email or text message and share it with your friends and family that way. Thanks so much for your time, Brazil. We'll catch you in a few days with an updated report.